Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is Wednesday, October 13th, and we are going to take a look at the Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla is having, had a great day also today. So we are up $5.36, 0.67%. We closed at 811.08. Post market, we seem to be up also a little bit by 24 cents. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. We did a higher low and also a higher high. This is all positive. This is going up. There's a little bit of a pause here in terms that the body of the candle is very thin. It means that the price is not moving up much. So basically, there's an equilibrium between the selling pressure and the buying pressure. So this is signaling a little bit of a pause. Nothing critical yet. We now have a support at 800. So 800 is the support. And we have the resistance that corresponds to the top level of the channel that Tesla has been in for a long time. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. Okay, so I sometimes need to go here and just click auto fit that auto screen. So this looks a lot better. The first hour opened up right here. We opened at 809.97. And we can really see that there's a resistance here. It's not hard. It's not that hard to spot resistance because we see it here. It's like the stock is not going over a certain number. Let me just tell you exactly what this number is. 811.33. So 811.33 is a resistance, and I'm going to put here on the hourly chart, and it should be red. I am using the color red for all resistance and the color green for support. So we are having a hard time getting above 811.33. We tried to get over it during the first hour. We could not. Then we tried on the third hour. We could not. Then we tried on the next to last hour, the 6th hour. We broke outside of it, but then came back down underneath it. And now we have a post market at 811.35. 811.33 is an intraday resistance that the stock is having a little bit of a hard time getting over, at least today. At least today and even also yesterday. Everything else in terms of indicator is all good. Let's go back to the daily chart to look at our indicators. Stochastic is going even higher at 95. That's great. RSI great. MACD is great. And DMI is great. Let's just ride this pony to the horizon. Nothing else to say. All is good. Let's just be careful about this support here. If you want to put the stop outside this support line, that would be good, because if the stock breaks this support, then we might be falling down towards the support of the channel here, or maybe 65, or maybe this here, because we are still in this channel going up and down and up and down. But because everything is so positive around Tesla for now, it's not impossible that we break this channel here and that we start getting higher even faster. But we don't try to jump the gun. We try to follow the trend. We have two trends now. We have the channel trend, the bullish channel trend, and we have this, I'm going to call it an ascending triangle trend also, that is moving up a little bit faster. And it's not impossible that we kick into a higher gear because of what might be announced next Wednesday on October 20th. So let's just stay tuned and let's just follow what the market is doing. Let's just understand what it's doing as soon as it starts doing it, and let's just position ourselves accordingly. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.